Hey guys, Jeremy here at the Ontario Regiment Museum. Another exciting day, a new arrival. We're very excited about this arrival. It's been slated to come to the museum since 2019, but due to the pandemic, global conflict, and how busy the Gagetown workshop was, we didn't actually get it till today. And what we're looking at here is a LAV III Canadian Light Armored Vehicle RWS, Remote Weapon System. And this is a type of vehicle that would have been used by Canadian Armed Forces soldiers in Afghanistan. We're excited to have it because it's going to help us tell the story of the evolution of that conflict and of the equipment that our soldiers used in Afghanistan. So, you know, we do have the LAV III. You guys have come to the museum and you've seen the regular LAV III. But this is an upgraded variant. So the LAV III will tell the story of the equipment that the men and women of the Canadian Armed Forces used in the early part of the conflict. But the RWS, you can see a lot of adaptations to the LAV III platform caused by the conditions and the lessons that were learned in that conflict. The first thing you'll notice right away is how much more heavily armored it is. So the RWS has all of the bolted on, add-on armor on the sides of the vehicles, underneath, and even in the crew compartments. There's additional plate armor on the floor to protect our soldiers from roadside bombs, IEDs. Instead of having the turret, it actually has, that's why it's called RWS, it has the remote weapon system that we can see up there with the grenade launchers, the smoke launchers, and also you can put a machine gun in there. That can be fully operated from inside the vehicle, from safely inside the vehicle and armored. Also, you'll notice right away, you see right there on the driver's hatch just to my left, the vehicle has a lot more cameras and sensors that aren't on the original LAV III, giving the crew inside the vehicle greater visibility and situational awareness around the vehicle. So, looking at the LAV III, you can see the original armor plate and just the thickness of the bolt-on armor. In the rear of the vehicle, and this is very different from the LAV III when you see it. So first off, you can see that instead of just the regular floor plates, you can see that additional floor armor, and that's going to protect our soldiers from explosions underneath the vehicle. Different from the bench seating in APCs or in the armored personnel carrier version of the LAV III, there's actually crew seats, jump seats with a 5-point harness, and that's to give those soldiers additional protection should there be an explosion under or outside the vehicle, and have stopped them bouncing around inside the vehicle. So brand new to the museum today. This one, the hull was actually built in 1998. It was retrofitted into an RWS in 2008, and is a great example of the advancement in Canadian military vehicle technology from the beginning to the mid-period of the Afghanistan conflict. So, also got some cool video of it spinning around, being unloaded, and in operation. This vehicle will debut at a Kino Tank weekend, and of course it'll be in our September show commemorating the end of the Afghanistan conflict 10 years ago. See you on the next one.